Hello my dear students, welcome back. This is Pushpa Vardarajan. In this video, you are going to learn how to convert a non-terminating, repeating decimal into the form of p by q, in the form of a rational number. Before solving the sums from the exercise, we are going to revise what we have learnt in the previous video. This is the first chapter for class 9th and this is the second video for the first chapter, number system. Now let us go through a PowerPoint where you are learning about rational and irrational numbers. A number system is defined as a system of writing to express numbers. It is the mathematical notation for representing the numbers of a given set by using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner. It provides a unique representation of every number. You know, natural numbers are counting numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Natural numbers starts with 1 and it will go up to infinity. Next, a whole number. All natural numbers including 0 is called a whole number. Whole number starts with 0. And then the next one is integers. All natural numbers, negative numbers and 0 together are called integers. It is represented by the letter Z. Next, a rational number. The number is called rational if it can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Q is equal to example is 2 by 3, 3 by 5, etc. All are rational numbers. All whole numbers are rational numbers because 8 can be written as 8 by 1. All integers are also rational number because minus 7 can be written as minus 7 by 1. Then the irrational number. The number which cannot be written in the form of p by q is called irrational, or you can say the numbers which are not rational are called irrational number. Example, square root of 2, square root of 11, value of pi, etc. Real numbers. All numbers including both rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. All integers are rational real numbers, all fractions are rational numbers, real numbers, and all 0 is a real number. That means real number includes both rational and irrational numbers. Now you can see from the figure that is all natural numbers are included in whole numbers and all whole numbers and natural numbers are included in integers, and all irrational and rational numbers are included in real numbers. Next, in the number system, the rational number can be terminating, or it can be non-terminating and repeating, and or it can be non-terminating and non-repeating. In the previous video, you have learnt what are terminating and non-terminating decimals. Now, see value of pi. It is given up to 18 decimal places. In decimal form, the value of pi is approximately equal to 3.14. We are taking it up to 2 decimal places, but pi is an irrational number, meaning that its decimal form neither ends like 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25, nor becomes repetitive like 1 by 6. Value of 1 by 6 is equal to 0.16666, etc. To only 18 decimal places it is given, and in the next slide you are going to see how the value of pi in the form of decimal representation, how it repeats. Value of pi, it is given, and it still it is, there is a dot after this, still it continues. If you want, you can try by dividing 22 by 7. Thank you for watching, and now you are going to solve few sums from the textbook, where you are converting a repeating decimal into the form of p by q. Here I am going to give you some examples on terminating and non-terminating and repeating decimal. Now, if you divide 1 by 2, you will get 0.5. If you divide 1 by 2, then the value will be 0.5. If you divide 2 by 5, the value will be 0.4. And if you divide 1 by 4, it is 0.25. When you divide 1 by 4, you will get the value as 0.25. Now these are all the examples for terminating decimal. And for non-terminating, if you divide 1 by 3, you will get 0.3333, like that. That process of division will not come to an end. This you have learnt in the previous video. This can be written as 0.3 bar. Similarly, if you divide 1 by 11, value will be 0.090909, like this, and it is 0.09. Repeating, if you write the bar, then it says that 09 is repeating. When you divide 2 by 3, the value will be 0.666, like that. That means here 0.6 bar. Now, you are going to learn how to convert a repeating decimal, that is 3.2 bar, in the form of p by q. Now, let that is x is equal to 3.2 bar. That means x is equal to 3 like this. It continues, and call this as equation 1. Here, one digit is repeating. Here, one digit is repeating. Therefore, multiply by 10. That is 10 into x is equal to 10 into 3.222. That is 10x is equal to 10 into 3. That is one digit will come this side. That is 32.2222, like this. When you multiply by 10, one digit will shift towards the left side. Therefore, call this as equation 2. Now, subtract 2 minus 1. Subtract 2 minus 1. That is 10x is equal to 32.222, like this. And then x is equal to, it is 3.222, like this. Therefore, 10x minus x is equal to 9x. 32 is equal to 29. Therefore, x equal to 29 by 9. X is equal to 29 by 9. Here you have converted x, that is 3.22222, that is repeating decimal into a rational number. Now one more example, that is express it is 0.47 repeating, 0.47 repeating in the form of P by Q, that is in the form of a rational number. Now let x is equal to 0.47, that is x is equal to 0.4747 etc. This is repeating. Here two digits are repeating. Here how many digits are repeating? Here it is 4747. Two digits are repeating. Therefore, multiply by 100x. Multiply by 100. That is 100 into x is equal to 100 into 0.474747 repeating. That is 100x is equal to 47.474747 is repeating. That is subtract 2 minus 1, that is 100x is equal to 47.4747 and this is repeating. And here it is x is equal to 0.474747 is repeating. Therefore, this is 100 minus x is 99x. X means it is 1x. This is equal to 47. That gives you x is equal to 47 divided by 99. And both are both are not having any common factor. Therefore, you have to leave. If it is having common factor, you have to write it in the standard form. Here, the one digit was repeating. Therefore, you multiply by 10. Here, two digits were repeating. Therefore, it is you have to multiply by 100. When you multiply by 100, two digits will shift towards the left side. Therefore, 100x is equal to 47.474747, and when you subtract, you will get 47. Here it is left hand side 99. And we are going to do one more sum related to this type of sums. That is express it is 0.001. Here express 0.001. How many numbers are repeating here? Yes, 3 numbers. That is, let x equal to 0.001 is repeating. That is, x is equal to 0.001, 001, 001. Call it as equation 1. Here, how many digits are repeating? Here, 3 digits are repeating. Therefore, multiply by 1000. That is 1000 into x is equal to 1000 into 0.001001001 and call this as 2. That is 100x is equal to 3 digits will shift towards the left hand side. 001 001 001. It is repeating and call this as 2. Equation 2. Subtract 2 minus 1, that is equation 2 minus 1, that is 1000x is equal to 001.001001 and it is repeating, and x is equal to 0.001001, it is repeating. 1000 minus x, x can be written as 1x. X means it is 1x, that is 999. 999. Is it 999? X is equal to 1 minus, this is 1. Therefore, x equal to 1 over 999. Now, here you learned how to convert a repeating decimal in the form of p by q. But if it is not repeating, you cannot write it in the form of p by q. Therefore, they are called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers cannot be written in the form of p by q. And that combination, that is set of rational number and irrational number, together we call it as real number. That is, for irrational number, example is square root of 2 and square root of 3, square root of 11 and value of pi, value of e, like that. These numbers you cannot write it in the form of p by q. All numbers where it repeats, that you can write in the form of p by q, but that if it is not repeating, then you cannot write it in the form of p by q. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.